You guys know what it is? It has some nice twinkle bells and Christmas tree and snowman paper. Hey, we could color this paper.
Oh, it's like coloring book paper.
Yeah, that's cool stuff.
Look,
Hey,
it's
I'm
a
gonna use it.
tractor. Look at that. Whoa, it moves around like this.
You know what?
It can shovel stuff in the front.
Excuse me, I'd like a ride.
Here, no problem, I'll pick you up.
Thank you.
Duck, 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 duck. Now just hang on tight.
That is cool. I love that.
All right, dropping off.
Hey, look. You
You
guys see this?
Check it out.
I can do Mr. Snowman here. We can color this paper because it's all white. This is cool paper. Where'd you get this?
I got it from the store.
Oh, I love this. That is cool.
See that?
Let's do the snowman's hat blue.
Look.